everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to add the Google Translate extension to your Chrome browser in just a few seconds. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now, go to the Chrome Web Store, just type Chrome Web Store in the search bar and hit enter. In the store's search box, type Google Translate and press enter. You'll see the Google Translate extension by Google LLC. Click on Add to Chrome. Then tap Add Extension when the pop-up appears. Wait a few seconds, and it will be installed automatically. Now, you'll see the Google Translate icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click it anytime to translate text or web pages instantly in your preferred language. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.